Welcome to 3DIMLI. In this video, we'll guide you through the complete process of becoming a seller and setting up your store. Start by visiting 3dimli.com and clicking on Sign In. Log in using your email and password or your preferred sign-in method. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and open the dashboard. From the dashboard sidebar, click on Become a Seller. On the Seller Introduction screen, click Launch My Store. The store setup form will now open. At the top of the form, upload your store profile image. This image represents your brand on 3DIMLI. Then select your business type. Choose whether you're selling as an individual or as a company. This information is used in your store profile. Next, enter your business or store name. Then choose your store URL. You can either use the auto-generated URL or customize it to match your brand. Add a short description explaining what your store offers so buyers can quickly understand your products. If you have a business website, enter it here. Then add your business support email address so customers can contact you if needed. Now, fill in your business address details. Select your country and region from the drop-down menus. Optionally, you can add your social media links to build trust and visibility. Once all required details are filled in, click Next to save your information. You'll see a confirmation message when your details are submitted successfully. In the next step, connect your payment method to receive payouts. There are various payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, Razorpay, Cash-Free, and many more. Click Connect under your selected payment gateway. Make sure your respective payment gateway account is verified and active. After connecting with your payment gateway, you'll see a status confirming your account is active. This means your store is ready to receive payments from buyers. Next, choose a billing plan for your store. You can select the flexible plan, which is free to start and charges an 8% fee only when you make a sale. Or choose the fixed plan for $25 per month to keep 100% of your sales with no platform fees. Select the plan that best fits your needs. After filling form, you will see Preview mode can verify all details and confirm. Congratulations! You're now officially a seller on 3dimli and ready to start selling your digital products.